Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube video. So today we'll be getting sound breathing suggested to me by the person who has helped me with most of the steps. His name is Faith or Chosen, and yeah, he's been helping me out most of the time. So yeah, shout out to him. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. You gotta go to Warp City, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, Boulders is close to Warp City for some reason. Okay. How much cash do you even got? Because you've been pulling out money like it's nothing. How much cash do you even got? Because you've just been pulling out like 10K and 999K like it's nothing. Okay. Oh, this demon. Oh? Oh, nah. Oh, nah, bro. I was, I don't know. This, oh, bro, I'm being chased by a demon. This demon just really hates me. It chased me all the way from Wap City to the training grounds. This training is currently on cooldown again. He took the boulder. But it keeps on saying this cooldown. It keeps on saying this training's on cooldown. I don't know what's happening. I think finally it's working. Okay, where's the point? Bruh, why is the point so far? Then, lucky. Mine's all the way over here in Timbuktu. But now don't even go in. There we go. Well done. Come back to. Is it just me? The sun guy kind of looks like an old man. Now that I think of it, why? Yeah, that's what I've been doing. One of my friends is an admin, so he said he's gonna give me the hybrid elixir, but he can't get on until next month because of some developing in the game or something. Yeah, he showed me a showcase. He showed me a showcase of it when he said he'll give it to me after he's done doing whatever. Still not flashy enough. The upper torso must be strong in order to swing my weapons. That's suicide. That's suicide. Because they can use blood demon arts and they can also use breathing techniques. Yo, that's OP. You're not beating me. I told you you're not beating me in push-ups. Nah, I'm too good at push-ups. If I have to meditate for some reason, I'm going to be upset. Cause I've never seen. Cause it doesn't look like in the anime Tengen did any meditating. it looked like some breathing needed upper body strength. So I'm all the way back at the sun cave. I have a question. How did you get Kamado clan, bro? Did you just like spin randomly, or did you like keep on spinning on different alt accounts? You're joking. Your first spin, you got Kamado. Bro, you're lucky as hell. The first spin, the first spin, the first spin I got was split boulder. Where's the split boulder training? I don't know where it is, so we're just going to run there. The um first clan I got was a legendary clan. I got Shinizigawa, and then after that I spent like 5 more times after getting commons, and then I got Hashibera. But I was like, I can get something better, so I spent more, and then I got Hashibera 3 times in a row. And then after that, I saw Kamado clan and thingy Agatsuma clan. Like it went Agatsuma and then it went Kamado and then it went to Hashibera again. You spawned Tengen's clan? Wait. 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 Hold up. Emu spawn? I wanna fight Emu real quick. I wanna fight Emu real quick, but I'm getting clutch. Okay, guys. So we're just gonna take a quick pit stop and fight Emu, cause I'm just bored. Uh you need to get the you need to fight Tengen for the final move, right? String performance. Hmm. And she I don't is Emo a girl or a boy, guys? Emu I thought that said Emu this whole time. Then how come they have normal Akaza and normal Rengoku? That makes no sense. That makes no. Couldn't Emu technically just go in this building and she would be fine? Why? What do you wanna do? You wanna have a proper 1v1 with her? This game's bugging. This game's bugging. Hey, I feel your pain. Wow, how? How? Yeah, no, you are the luckiest man. The only good things that I've gotten, well, actually, no, I've never gotten anything good from a drop except my Inosuke pants, which I'm not even wearing. Nah, bro, how? Pass me down your luck. Pass me down your luck. I finally split the boulder, guys. Guys, I split the boulder. Now we gotta run all the way back. What? Unless there's a guy. Unless there's a fate. Where is the nearest? Oh, horse guy. Okay, guys, we're not running, but we're going to TP there. Wait, so kind of Rengoku's breathing, Rengoku and the flame breathing and sound breathing kind of don't make sense. Cause you need to fight. Cause you need to fight So for flame breathing, you need to fight Rempiki to unlock it. But to get the final move, you need to fight Rengoku. Doesn't really make sense to me. Now that I realize it, Kamado Clan is not really good for demons because all it does for you is give you sun immunity and only two demon buffs. Oh, okay. I thought that said meditation. I thought I saw meditation on my screen. I was about to disconnect. But now it said aim training. What happens if meditation? If meditation is after this, I might be like, why do I have to spend? Why do you have to spend 13K and 150 demon orange just to do this? So I have a question. So let's say you abandon the quest to get the breathing, and you try to get the quest again. Does the game just not allow you? Bruh. No, I was just asking, bro. No, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I actually still have the quest. I actually still have the quest. Yeah, bro, I also did that. I was getting the Kaza fighting stuff because I had shockwave, and I left the game and I rejoined, and it resets my quest. And when I abandoned it, it resets. Like when I didn't do what the quest wants, it just resets. Could you be more defeat fountain? Let's go! I didn't need to deal with meditation. The most annoying thing to do in this game. No, no, no! I gotta hit him! I gotta hit him! I gotta hit him! Let's go! I didn't hit him, didn't I? I hate this game so much. Yeah, jump him! Jump him! I think he did that very well. Oh, never mind. What? What? But what level are you? You took no damage from that whole entire thing. Now, what level are you, bro? You're level 107. How are you stronger than me? Never mind, you have Kamado clan. And you still richer. Damn. All I got, I'm level 118 and I'm still weaker. Kamado clan too OP, bro. 150, 1,515. Guys, this guy, Faith just said that he got 1,815 HP. How? Guys, Kamado Clan is OP, proven by Fate himself. Because he has it. So I was looking for the Miss Katana until I come up to you and you're like, and I ask you, what breathing do you think I should get next? You say, sun breathing. I'm like, okay, sun breathing it is. Did you just say, he's about to make me, guys, he's about to make me learn things I hate the most. Hmm. Say, what katana, do you have the Miss Katana? But you have it on your main account. But do you have, so, wait, did you play the new update on your main account? So you wouldn't have sound katanas. Makes sense. But oh wait, lucky. I'm too broke to trade for sound katanas. And if but if but even if I get enough to trade for sound katanas, people are gonna overprice it and say I need to get 2 times as much. I was willing to give up. No, listen, I was willing to give up my flame katana, my two straw hats, my two sides, and my two. What was that mythic thing that you got? I was willing to give up my my flame katana, my two sets, my two straw hats, and my Inosuke blades for the sound katana. And those said no, that's not worth it. What? That's what the hell? Oh my god. Bro has eight. Bro can basically just trade for the for sound katanas anytime he wished. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, you guys cannot see Fate's inventory, but I can tell you it's insane. Fate, go onto your like your weapon. Bro got I got just bruh. Okay, guys, Fate is stacked. Like he is stacked so far. He got so many mist katanas. He got four sights, guys. He got like he got six flame katanas, guys. Fate is stacked for reals. Hey, someone has and Bo has sound katanas, and I want them right now. Two, two. I feel so prepared. Or is that just the AI? Oh, that was just the AI. I thought two players had the sound katanas. Wait, you know I'm actually just using a screen recorder to record my videos, and then I just send and then after I finish recording, I just send it on YouTube. It's worked out for me for a pretty long time. And when I mean pretty long, I mean for the past 3 days I've started YouTube. Yeah, I've already posted 5 videos. I already got five. Yeah, and I already got 5 subscribers. That's crazy, right? I got like two of them. I got like two. I had three earlier, and then I got two in block suits because I post all type of anime games. I got two from these two players. They wanted. I told them about my YouTube channel, and they just subscribed somehow. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Uh, okay, guys, when Fate said sound breathing was good, he never said that I had to do a lot of grinding. Fate, my next move is at 26. Fate, no. No. Oh no. Now that I think about it, I might actually wanna go try trade for the thing for the sound katanas. Right? I'm going to lose it. I found another person with sound katanas. I'm going to. They look they look so cool. I want them so badly, bro. They look so cool. Fate, chillax. Fate, chillax. Chillax. Oh, nah. Who's packing him? Who packed him? Who's packing him? Hey, guys, this is fate for you. This is fate. Yeah, someone hits him once and he gets into a war with him. Oh my god. Bro, they're showing no mercy. I'm just watching a dog fight right now. Fate, do you need it? Never mind, you probably don't need help. You guys, I just got us all front row seats to watch Fate fight a player. You guys are all welcome. You know you're welcome. You're welcome. Two pro players swinging at each other for absolutely no reason. And guess who's about to spawn? Tengen Uzui! Tengen! That's the only way to get Fate's attention. A boss has spawned. Tengen Uzui would never say you're dead to someone. Did bro just get did bro just get packed up into a wall by a boss? I personally wouldn't let that slide. Personally, that's just me though. That's just me though. I wouldn't let that slide. Like a boss packs me up into a wall. Personally, I wouldn't let that slide. I ain't letting that slide. Yeah, no, I'm definitely not getting sound katanas. It's a 0.5% chance they even drop. Hey, I've done the second most damage. Let's go. I finally don't feel useless. As I said, personally, I wouldn't let that slide. The boss combos me, and I'm already coming for him like that. Nah, Tengen, where you going? Nah, boy, I ain't gonna let you combo me and get away with it. Smink. Bro, can I tell you something funny? Guys, let me tell you all something funny. I really got the Nosuke swords off for cheap. I did not have to trade anything expensive. All I had to do was give someone a straw hat. And I get straw hats on a daily basis. If I kill Bandit Caden once or twice, I get the straw hat for some reason. Oh, it gives you damage buff. Oh my god. Why did I tell him that? Thinking you're dead. You know. Oh, are you gonna let that slide? He just comboed you. Nope, he ain't. Nope, he ain't. No, he ain't. I ain't just start asking them questions. Keep him distracted. Keep him distracted. Bruh. I only got one thing. This game. But I want some katana so badly for some reason, but I know I ain't getting it from any trade. Bro's walking around like the He's walking around like the main villain. Bro's the main villain right here. No. Guys, look at this. It's the main villain, bro. Guys, we better watch our bags. I just realized something that would be useful. 2 times mastery. For 15 minutes. Yeah, but no, bro's the main villain. He just goes up and starts beating up his own kind for no reason. He's actually the main. He's actually just the main villain, guys. Watch out for this guy. If you make him mad, he's probably gonna fold you. Probably gonna fold you. Now, while he's distracted, now I'm mad. I'm gonna look if Akaza is dead or alive. Oh, he was alive. Oh no. Why did I feel like you were gonna attack him because he killed Akaza? It's not that deep. Jeez. Yo, what am I doing? Slow poking it. I got this. I did not spend 10. I did not spend like 12 minutes of my life trying to get this for me not to use it. Ow. Who names themselves Lalabal? Like, this is the goofiest name ever. Inosuke has to hate me. Okay, guys, well, fate is away from computer. We shall fight Inosuke and actually try to win, which probably not gonna happen. Guys, tell me if you guys want me to become a demon again, because remember what I said? I got that Muzan blood. I got the Muzan blood in my inventory. It's just waiting to be used. Yeah, for real. Tell me if you guys want me to become a demon again. Let's hope Fate didn't hear that I have Muzan blood on me. This pro player. Guys, Inosuke is impossible. He is being impossible. Pack him up, so stay to sleep. I packed him, Inosuke. That's crazy. Imagine getting combo, guys. Imagine you combo a boss with only one move. That's crazy, guys. Dad, okay, I got folded. Oh, guys, you saw that. We all saw that. I just canceled the ult. I can cancel ult. Why do I do so much more damage with this? Damn, Inosuke got that weave. This other player just canceled my combo. So I see what Fate means when he says, Sun reading is pretty good, guys. Sun reading is pretty good. I doubt we'll be able to fully master it in this video, but yeah. Probably gonna kill Inosuke and then end this video off. And maybe actually on Friday's live we will actually do hacker. Maybe on Friday's live we'll actually level it up with you guys, like to max. Guys, there's a hacker and I'm scared to hacker business. Ha ha ha. But yeah, guys. that's the end for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.